welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, there's something different about me. My hair is gray. Nails, these nails are actually pretty old. I need fills on these nails, but besides that, I am making a video for you guys today. We're doing a eye tutorial. I just got out of work. I have my scrubs on still, so I was like, you know what, we're just gonna get home and we're just gonna make a video real quick. We're gonna do a simple eye look. This palette has been out for a while, I think for like a month or so. This is the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Divine Neutrals palette. This is what I'm gonna be using today. I literally have all of her palettes that she's come out with Morphe. I have the Vault, and then I have the two bigger ones, and now this one. So that's what the palette looks like on the outside, and then this is what the palette looks on the inside. I have already played with it, actually, not gonna lie. I made a look with this when I got it because I just couldn't wait, and I'm actually filming a video with it. So if you guys are interested in seeing what look I create with this palette, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you guys leave. Don't forget to click the little bell so you guys will be notified the next time I upload. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below just to say hi. I haven't talked to you guys in forever. I know I've been gone. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it. So let's just get started. So I zoomed you guys in. I don't have any lip product on, and if my makeup is off from like here or around here or here in this area, I had the mask on because I work in healthcare. The mask has to be on all day, so yeah. My eyeshadow, my concealer is a little creased, but don't worry, we're gonna fix that. What I've been using for eyeshadow primer lately has been the e.l.f. 16-hour Camel Concealer. It's the matte one, and I've been using the color Light Sand. This is the color that I have. I don't know if this is gonna focus. This is the color that I have in the hydrating formula, but this is too drying for my under eyes, so that's why I use this as an eyeshadow base. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes with this, and then I'm just gonna blend it out with the Morphe M173 brush. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out all over my eyelid. So I'm gonna do it real quick. So I'm gonna go in with this Farrah brush. These are like old eyeshadow brushes I used to use before, like when I barely started out with my videos. So we're using those brushes today. So I'm gonna go in with the palette, and I'm gonna start off with the color called Good Vibes, which is this one right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab it on the brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and add this into my crease. I feel like this is just a little bit too light, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab another blending brush. This is from Wet n Wild, and I'm gonna go in with the color right next to it, which is called Boo Bear, this one. So we're gonna grab a little bit of this, and I'm just gonna make it just a tad bit darker right up here, like right above where we would do like cut crease. That's where I'm gonna add that shade. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab the concealer, and we're just gonna go ahead and rub it against the eyelash curler like the way the tutorial says. So just like that. Should have product on it, and then you're just supposed to look to do cut crease. Okay, and then I'm gonna go back in with the Wet n Wild brush, and I'm gonna go back in with the shade Boo Bear, and I'm gonna go ahead and add this in the outer part of my eye. Now I'm going to take this Ibby Beauty eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to take the color Chic Happens, which is like this off-white glittery color. I'm going to go ahead and put that all over where we did the cut crease. I'm just going to take a highlight from one of my highlighters. I have been using this face palette. Recently I've been like obsessing over this again. This has like been out forever. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Sun Dipped. It's like their highlighter palette that they came out with like a long time ago. The color I've been using is this one called Summer. So I'm going to take a little bit of this. I'm going to put it under my brow bone. I'm going to be using this Morphe brush from the Sweet Oasis collection. And I'm just going to be sticking this under my brow bone as a brow bone highlight. I'm going to go and do the bottom lashes, or the bottom lower lash line. Duh, I don't even know what it's called anymore. I'm going to go back in with the same Wet n Wild brush. I'm going to take the same color Boo Bear. And I'm just going to go ahead and run this on the bottom lower lash line. So just like that. And I'm going to go back in with the same little brush, Morphe brush, and the highlighter palette. I'm going to go ahead and put it in my inner corner. Just a little bit. Just like that. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye. I'll go ahead and put on mascara and lashes, and then we'll come back to finish this look off. Okay guys, so we're done. This is the way the eye look turned out. What do you guys think? So for lashes, I used the Beauty Creations 3D Mink Lashes in Drama. That is the style I have on right now. And then for my lip combo, I have Morphe's Sweet Tea Lip Liner, the Juvia's Place lipstick in Libra, and the Murillo Twins X Beauty Creations. This is the Only Bee lip gloss. That is what I'm wearing on my lips. Thank you guys so much for coming back and watching another tutorial of mine. It means a lot to me that you guys are still there supporting me, even though I'm not as consistent as I want to be. Stay safe, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.